Myself Indu from Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. As a part of Project Ready program, I have selected Field Service Workorder Optimization as my project. In short, we can explain it as it assigns tasks to technicians based on location, availability, and skills. It prioritizes urgent tasks, reduces delays, and improves efficiency, leading to lower cost, ultimately enhancing customer satisfaction. And coming to the project, first of all, we need to have a developer account to build the project. As I have already had it, I have simply logged into it with my account details. If you don't have it, we need to sign up with our account details. And after creating the account, we need to activate our account. And later on, the task 2 will be the creating objects. First of all, we need to create a technician object. To create the technician object, first of all, we need to go to the object manager. There, we need to customize it by the spreadsheet. And the spreadsheet will be provided by the document right itself where I'm showing it to you. After that, we need to log into it and we need to upload the spreadsheet, which is provided by the Smart Intent Skill Wallet. There, we need to upload it, and later on, we need to name it as a technician.csv, and our technician.csv object will be ready. Later on, coming to the next step, create work order ID. It follows the same steps as what we have created for the technician object. The spreadsheet will be provided, we need to upload it, and we need to save it. And coming to the assignment object, it will be a bit different. It will not have a spreadsheet, it will simply creating an object with no spreadsheets by giving the details. And later on, coming to the task 3 tabs, we need to create a custom tab, which will be named as assignment. This will be named as assignment, where we can in. For work order and technician objects, we do not need to create automatically. Later on, coming to the Lightning app, we need to create a field service work order optimization app. Here, I have already created it, so I can show you from the app manager. If you see the view all, here we have the already ready field service work order optimization app, which I have already created in before. Here it is. And next, coming to the fields and relationships. First of all, we need to create a lookup field in the assignment object. We need to go to the assignment object and we need to create a work order ID for the assigned field. And next, coming to the manage your pick list, we need to add the Nasik, Warangal, and Nanded in the values of the work order object app. Here we can see now comes the manage your pick list values. Here we can add the pick list values to the location of the field where we can find it on in the work order ID. Where we need to go into the location field. There we can find out the pick list values we have created and we have saved. Coming to the next step, manage your pick list values. And we need to add extra 2 for the priority and the service type in the same work order object. And coming to the next, creating formula field in object work order object. Here we need to create a formula field. We can see it. I have already created it as named it as date. We can already see it, and the formula is given as the created date. And next, coming to the creating remaining fields of the respective objects. This includes technician ID, assignment ID, and completion date. We can see in the work order object where I have already created like assignment date, completion date, and technician ID with the following given formulas. And coming to the next, profiles. We need to create a technician profile and we need to name it as a standard platform user. As we can already see, I have created and we need to go into the profiles. Then we need to search into the standard platform user and here it is. I have already created it and the given values were already been tick marked and everything will be saved automatically. Next, coming to the users. We need to create a user named as Elena Gilbert. We can find it out in the home and we can find it in the quick find where we can search it as users and we need to click on it and we provided by the some of the names where we can find out our created data and here it is which I have already created. And next, coming to the apex trigger. Now we need to create an apex class, apex triggers. Coming to the first one, we need to create an apex class, named it as work order class. To create the apex class, we need to go into the home. There we need to find the gear icon. There we need to click on the developer console. Then we will find the created triggers and classes. I have created this all in before. These were the apex classes and triggers were already created and saved. And next, coming to the reports and dashboards. Reports. We need to log into the home. We need to log into the app where we can see. I will show it again. You all here you will find the field service work order optimization app. As we have created firstly Lightning app with the name of it. We can directly click on it. The app will be open. Here you can see the reports. I have already created it with an spreadsheets which I have already uploaded in the previous task, which were work order status report and technician and assignment details report. And coming to the next one, creating reports. I have already mentioned work order status report and technician and assignment details reports. I have already created the reports in the respective app. And next, coming to the dashboards. The dashboards which were it represents the data in vertical bar shapes, pie chart, in whatever we want, we can create them. I have already created them with the name of dashboard 1 and dashboard 2. Dashboard 1 represents work order. So Dashboard 1 represents technician.csv, which will be represented in the tabular format. And next, coming to the dashboard 2, this will be represented in the vertical bar, because as the last step of the program, last step of the project is mentioned as they want to create a work order status in a vertical bar. This will be the last step of the project, and I have created it, and you can see. Thank you.